Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also unbox the VogDuo 30-watt portable wireless charger. You can see that it's very nicely packaged. Going around, you can see more. And once we try to unbox it, you can see it has a really nice wrapping around it, so we have to cut it. And once that's also done, we're going to take it out. And the components that are part of this is a user guide which has a lot of information that you really need in the back. And also have some pictures on what you can do with this in the front part of it. Putting that aside, we're going to go into the device itself. You can see it's very slim, very nice looking. The one that we received is white color, but it comes with two other colors, which is red and also comes with red and black. It looks beautiful, whichever one you're going to get. But the one that we got is the white one, so we're going to go around it. You can see the top part of it is very shiny. And it has the name on it. And once you go to the front part of it, you have 3 USB 2.0 ports, which gives you 5 volt, 6 amps. And also each one do support fast charging. So that way you can charge 3 things at the same time. The input for the EC when you connect it to the wall or to your socket intakes 100 up to 240 watts. Yes, this charger do have protection, so that way it will not allow any kind of shock to go through and kill your product. It doesn't matter if it's on phone, battery charger, or even tablets. Again, you can see that once you hook it up, you can maneuver. You can put it straight if there's not much room and you have to hook it up between some other plugs, or you can tilt it, and again it's very portable, so you can take it anywhere you go. Again, I really recommend everybody to get one of these. It's very inexpensive. Links will be available where you can order this from at the bottom of this video. More information from official website for these guys going to be available at the bottom of this video. Except that, if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. It really helps us out. Also give us a thumbs up so we can come up with these type of videos more. Except that, thank you.